Introducing the world's first foldable, self-cleaning electric toothbrush. Merry Christmas! What do we have here? Oh wow, this is the new Movigor self-cleaning foldable electric toothbrush. Straight out of the box, looks like you get two nice cleaning cloth, course and instructions guide, charge cable USB-A to USB Type-C, the newer charge cables, and extra brush heads. Let's take a look at one of these brush heads. It comes with a cap, and I'm pretty sure this is a soft bristles. Yes, soft bristles, feels good to the touch. And here is the amazing toothbrush. The toothbrush is made of corrosion resistance 316 stainless steel. Truly a unique beauty. It looks like they decided to send me the awesome gray and stainless steel finish one. There are various cool colors to choose from. Right off the bat, I know it's a solid feel in construction. This isn't a typical cheap electric toothbrush, because check this out. Yes, you can transform it. This is the world's first self-cleaning and foldable electric toothbrush all in one. Now let me go ahead and read the long list of features. First off, it features 4800 milliamps battery that can last you a long time with each charge. So if you look in the inside right here, it features two modes that you can switch between cleaning and massaging mode. Features also, you can select your own frequency, and that is 13 levels of frequency, and here is where you can select the strength of brush and 14 knots of intensity. All right, now down here you have the cleaning indicator, the massage indicator, the frequency regulation, strength regulation, and the power disinfect, along with the battery indicator if it's low. When the toothbrush flashes red, that means there's only 10% of power and it's time to charge it. So first off, let's start with the cleaning function. Smooth to the touch. This will be a regularly primary cleaning whitening function. And here's where you can select the frequency level. You hear the frequency? Yes, that's 13 levels. And here's where you can adjust the power. 14 knots of adjustable power. All right. And if we switch down to the, okay, now let's go ahead and one press of the button. It switches to the gum massage mode, featuring 9 frequencies and 10 levels of intensity. So you have a lot of options to work with, whether it be cleaning your teeth or cleaning your gums. And what's awesome about this, when you are done, you fold it like this. Not only does it fold away for easy storage, but it also self-disinfects. Truly a world's first. During operation, this uses only 2.4 watts of power with an input of 5 volts, 2 amps, and less than or equal to 60 decibels of noise. Wow, guys, I have to admit, I've reviewed a lot of electric toothbrush, and this is the most modern one, jam-packed with features. First of all, I really love that foldable design. Not only does it store away for easy storage. Oh wow, it fits in a pocket too? But it also self-disinfects. I've never seen a cool feature like that in any electric toothbrush. And with so many customizable features, whether it be cleaning your teeth or your gum, right down to the frequency range and the level of power, how amazing is that? If you are in the market for a truly awesome, modern electric toothbrush that you customize, this is the one. Check it out, the world's first foldable, self-cleaning electric toothbrush from Movigor.